FCRA का जो ओरिजिनल बड़ा अमेंडमेंट 2010 में कांग्रेस ने जो लाया था, उसके बाद कई अमेंडमेंट आए हैं। इस बार जो अमेंडमेंट है ये फॉरेन से कंट्रीब्यूशन आता है उसके रेगुलेशन के लिए और सही इस्तेमाल के लिए, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, नेशनल इंटरेस्ट।
Hakani kecing kendua nelor Menteri Rangba berusumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ledon langru Presiden ke Catholic Bishops Conference of India CBCI Anthony Cardinal Pula pada Secretary General Umos Reverend Anil Joseph Thomas Kuto bat kiwi-kiwi kinong mikamat na ke CBCI. Kani kekenhuan ke lapan pau ke Jesokia ke baydai bat kikat tu kani kendon ke belaterwa halor ke amendment. Kam tam ke benta ke baydai bat ke jeng kurup ke jeng dan jeng em na ke sepak ke pau ke balapan mi ke jeng siap tiang. Apa dan kikenhuan Kristan bat kikenhuan ke besyakri ke emlang salang. Kumta gila banjur dia ke jeng dan kam bandon ke jeng selok ke bayar bat banyatai sani ban penti kena bayar kani ke jeng Sokia de benda syimkiati kena. Ukanrat kongkal sama ulong bagi ladap ban penpau ke jing Sokia kabla pensengau daki kenhun Kristan kamtam ke baydai bak kebenta ban kurup ke jing dan jing em bat banjur ke jing dan kam bandan ke jing tai bat jing mer jing mut ke babiang bat ke berhenti bat banrap bagi jaka syakri kabla kershan nang ba ke jing kershan pisa nabari ke de ke benta kabla mandra ke jing kelak bakrau ha ke jing jing syakri ha ke puli putih ke kot kakya bagi jing syakri ke emlang salang ha ke jaka ke badan ke bakendong tam bat ke basadian na Meghalaya mereka tanch dalam ini. Bukan rat kongkal sangma ulah pentebru bu menteri ke Sarkar Pedang ukiran rijiju ulah penti kena bansek pnia ikini kimat ke bala pensngo bad ulah penti kena ru bahkan sadan kejingnya selok bad barok ke badan bentalang hakakam aswa ban cemekarai ke bakat do ikano kono kejing penkala ya ka amendment. U menteri rangba ulah penpau bagi dan kejing kerman baleng ba kene kejing ekran bad kejing kendo kan semi kalat bandeda ke hok jengki kenhuan rengkat ba kejing dan ya ki atiar ki ban perking. La ban penerima hong ni ba Menteri Rangba sembut Menteri Rangba ba ke CBCI gi lalit menekendo ya ukiran rijiju ha kanong ba Delhi ha ka baydai bat kamat jong ka FCRA amendment bill.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA amendment bill, and we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill. Especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honorable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honorable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns. And we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be